like that level. But now I gotta go redo this one.
Who's running freaking crushing it? Actually, I mean, they could still add that mechanic towards the end of the level or something. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, I could have bought an upgrade, probably. Woo! Boomerang or bomb? Stick with boomerang. Oh, fuck, I mistimed it. Oh, bye. Oh, I just lost the tower bomb I was thinking! Fuck! I wanted to like it. Give me all of your money, bingo. Go up there. Bye-bye. Go away. He's there. Uh-oh, that's fine. Oh, the fuck, drill fucker! Full lumberjacker. Mines! Boom, boom, boom! Boom, boom! Easy. Oh, yeah. The health checkpoint. Oh, fuck. Upgrade! Come on! Why did it take so long? There we go. Oh, no. It didn't. Oh, it's not right before I hit this guy. Throw it. Dare you. Dummy. Oh. Bye. Into the pit he goes! Yeah, I know you're up there, Oh, okay. We're doing okay, That means everything's gonna explode. Bye. You're taking it. No, you took the elevator too far. Oh, bye. I'm not gonna touch you this time. Uh-oh.
Hey, Soundmeister! Thank you so much for the follow. And also, the llama earlier. I'm so sorry I missed it. Hope you're both doing well. I hope everyone's doing well. Having a good night. Better night than poor Hatsworth here. Mines, fucko! Wobble boom! Who wants some mines? Everybody. Hey, guess what? Oh, we did it. Oh, get out of here. Bye. What? What? You can't... That's not how ground works. Oh, come on. Give me a break, game. Give me a break. Yes. Whatever, that works too. Oh my god. Oh, I can't just accidentally fall through the floor on this one. I don't like this at all. Robot time. Oh, the platforms are falling. The platforms are falling. We immediately got crushed. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on. Yeah, you deserve that, idiot. Get out of here with that shit. Yeah, okay. Oh fuck, I got up right into it. Sounds like every day. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine. This is fine, this is fine. This is not fine. Ah! That was not on purpose. This is... It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Fuck off and let me on! Fuck! It's fine, it's fine. What's a little, giant crushing wall? Thank you, taking damage to something something. Ow. Whoa, there we go. Just little walls just to jump. Oh, fuck, right. How do I fucking go? Fuck off! What? What? Jeepers. No. Well, this life is fucking dead. It's good. Is this gonna take the level for finally got him. For most lives lost. I have strategy. okay, that's fine. Yep, that sure is a thing you can do if you choose to. Oh! Jesus! Fucking God! You got a spear. Good job, idiot. Have some technology. Oh, fuck. Hello. Okay. Oh, good. I think I want melee, but the projectiles is really good too, and so is special, obviously. I keep forgetting about the specials. Extra heart would be nice as well, but let's get melee. Ha-ha! 18 for money. Oh, what would I have had? 69 420 or something? Or no, because I had oh shit, I had 4 digits. So 69. P meter is the bar on the left there. It's how long I can stay in the puzzle. It is not something I am super worried about. It is the least. This is what I care about the least, basically. I think on hard mode it becomes much more of a problem, but... Oh fuck, No, fuck, God! On our first playthrough, it's... Yeah, you get more P meter by making matches anyway, so... It's... Oh god. Oh, I was gonna be safe. Shit. What? Oh, my brain broke. My brain broke.
Good show.
Here you go. Yeah. Oh, that! Holy shit! That knocks him down all the way off screen. That rules, actually. I didn't know that. Up! Oh! Up! Up! Oh, hello. Actually... have some parting fun. Woo, get out of here. No, Mr. Driller. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. What is this shit? Do I go up or left? Is that solid? Oh, that would have crushed me. I'm almost fairly certain. Now I go left? Ooh, treasure, bad guys. Ah! Bad guys. Come on, get down from there. Okay, oh, there we are. Oh god, just too far. How about here? Yeah. Ooh, more treasure. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, you keep... Bah. Oh, okay. Hello. Hey, rude. Yeah, bye. Why we gotta be in a factory? Oh god. Oh wait, is there shit up there? Oh, I thought there was a way down! This is very deadly. Like, actual factory. Cool. Oops. That's fine. No, I don't want to get caught up there. Ah! Oh, Jesus! Ah, let me through. Oh boy. Oh, beans. No, spike balls. Oh, that, okay. No! Ah, God! Game's doing this on purpose. That was the much easier spike wall climb. Where do I get off? Let me off. This isn't off. Not again. Okay. Shit, stop moving. There we go. Okay. No! Oh, I was trying not to get him. Oh well. Oh, now I can trap him up there like a dingus. Oh, but only for a little bit. Where do I go? Okay, so. Oh, I was trying not to do that. Okay. We're good. Oh, now I can grab this. This will help too, actually, a lot. Whoa, they're bullets? Ow, those still hurt. Fuck. Take it. There we go. Those little guys are annoying. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Tea time is what we got, of course.
Good show.
No drillman. Mines. Yeah, robot tall enough to punch Even if you do a drill in. Mines. Alright, let's get our meter back up. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Does that... But, I mean, sure, that's fine. Hello? Oh, hello. Oh. Waboomba! Oh, shit. Well... You're soon worse. Ooh, I definitely need that heart. Please that wall. Before it loads. Ah! Good, we're good, we're good. Oh, now we're on a Mega Man stage. Oh, is there secrets and shit over here? Or is this just where I go? There's a switch? Chests? Heart? Oh, there's chests everywhere. Now they're... What? What did I do? Now they're shaking. Oops, this is fine. Oh! Ooh, it came out of there. Go up. Oh yeah, okay. Now these go up. I think that's what's different. All right, we missed a chest, but frankly, I don't care. Uh-oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, perfect timing. Oh, it was actually. I think it was because I got hit from the coward meter thing. Which, whatever. That's fine. Oh, I got crushed! No! Oh, God. That's a mess. Oh, ah, frick. Oh, it's fine. Let's go away. No, fuck! Yeah, I know. There's a man over there. No! I cannot believe it. My... Yeah. Fuck off. It didn't even check when we passed this part. Or, is it, did they go through two fights? Two fight rooms? I feel like there's a lot of team fight. Unless that was just this, I don't know. It's all bunny there. It looked like I pushed her down in that block. This sucks. Ah! Yarn! Oh, shit. I definitely more, red hearts as well. So no Isaac player ever. Oh, I'm not. Woo!
supposed to do? Is it like boomerang or some shit? Whatever. Oh god, why is that jump shooting? Okay, yes, this is the here. Make my move. So I'm gonna try and get trigger. I'm actually over here. Okay, next. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, no, I'm balling. Oh, do it. Oh, how do I get to that? Doop. Take me up, good sir. Should have probably matched that guy first. I wasn't sure if it would give her the Marathon. Turns out no. It says, I don't want it. So, you know what? Fair. Nothing I can do about it. I understand that. Whoa, okay. Oh, this was. Ow, this was the part I thought I was thinking about. No. Get that. There. Okay, this is where. Fuck off. I need to kill him, so I'm not waiting for him to platform.
There we go. That was so rude. That has to be a checkpoint though, right? That has to be. Are Yoku blocks what are worse than quick lasers? Better, probably. Quick lasers are mega rude. Unless the Yoku blocks are above quick lasers or some shit. Oh my gosh. Ah! Or it's some shit like this. This is actually not as bad as the other area, where I had like nothing to stand on and fight him with. That was just right rude. Whoa, I thought I was gonna hit there. Oh, I got hit there. Please tell me this is the end. This is not the end. Excuse me? Well, have a good time!
I'll see you around! The ultimate shape. Boomba! What do you mean, check? No one would ever wait, just let it go. That'd be dumb. Boy. How far can I get without it? Is there like a secret here? Oh, it's coming back!
Well, bye. It totally feels like there's a secret on the right there. Oh yeah, definitely. You're definitely intended to be able to get some stuff up there. Also, are we in a clock or something? I think that's the idea. Oh god, this is giving me slime flashbacks from that one boss. That was a really good game. I feel bad because I don't remember the name other than slime. For now, I'm Great Mouse Detective. That's a movie I haven't seen in decades. What? Okay. No!
Oh my gosh. right here. Should I try and get the secret? Or do I just go? What do you think?
I think I'm just gonna go. It looked like it was just chests and stuff. What? 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 Are you fucking kidding me, game?
Oh, it's shield stuff. Not mine, or well, awesome. Who's the top there? Oh.
What was that shit? Your fucking puzzle squishes me just because I got on the wrong time? Don't move, don't fucking move, don't fucking squish me. That's so weird. Shit. 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 Did not appreciate that game. Oh, shit. Yeah, at best it's like some... Actually, we know there's something right... That was not worth it. Well, I guess we kind of skip this thing. Oops, I missed the treasure there. Oh well. You know what I don't care about, I say, is like go and get it. No, just trust me on this one. Hey, I got it. Where does this go? I see I have to go up, like straight up from that area to the right there. Where are those? Does this take me? What? What? Oh, that's where I needed to go! So I was in the right spot. Kind of cheesed it a little bit. Boop. Don't squish me. Thank you. It's like clockwork. Ha ha ha. Oh, another slime pucker. Oh my god. No, 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 please don't do it, you asshole. Is that yellow or orange? That's yellow. Oh god, he still hit me. No, 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 how do I avoid this? Not what I wanted, but I got what I needed. So I've got friends on some other side. It's not this one. Woohoo! Yep, tank the hits. Yep, go down there. That's fine with me. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, here we go. Perfect, perfect, idiot. Sure. Less perfect, less perfect. Not loving it, not loving it. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh come on. What do I even do? I guess he's just back up here now? Yeah. Okay. How do I dodge? Oh god. Ugh. You slimy little shit. You cocky little freaks! Yeah, do that, do that. You go away! No! What if I go right? Can I go right? Are you kidding me?
Okay, you're unbelievable. You need more checkpoints. I think I've never tried, I don't think so, but find out. Nope. Nope. The game's hard enough without having to spend 5 minutes going back on the checkpoint. Please. Perfect. So I think last time this was out of sync, because I didn't hit the switch right away. Oh, okay, so that's if you're paying attention, which I don't. That would show you, hey look, there's a platform going right there. And then you go up here and you're like, oh hey. Okay, let me choose it. Let me do this time. Oh yeah. I've done it bad. I should not have jumped up. Got this. Fuck. Ah. Don't do prime. There's so many spikes. Oh, yeah. And I had my super, my robot. My super, hold on. Can I just get back? My hearts. This would be a nice hydration break. Have some water. I should have some water. Yeah, there we go.
Can we go to the right? No. Looks, it almost makes it look like there's something up there. Oh! Wait. Yeah, okay. Was the game trying to trick me into going all the way back around? There we go. Oh, it wasn't enough. Okay. Oh, happy belated birthday, Rocky. Hope you're doing well. Ah! Oh, 2.5 hearts. Uh-oh, I don't have much. This is fine. I have no Lullos. I have some Lullos. Oh, gotcha. No, there we go. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No, no, no. Oh, yes. Oh. Yes!
Get dead, you asshole.
Yes! Yes! Fuck this level! Yeah, puzzle zone, more like the own zone, fucker!